Today, I am going for a morning walk, from the Plaza del Carman in Los Boliches, to the port in Fuengirola. If you are interested, planning a holiday, or simply enjoy watching these videos on the Costa del Sol and Andalusia, then please like, subscribe and hit the bell for notifications of new videos. Also have a look at our website for a complete guide on what the resorts, towns, villages have to offer. All with Google Maps to direct you from your current position. From the Plaza del Carman in Los Boliches to the port in Fuengirola takes around 15 minutes. Unless you are tempted by the beach or the bars. If I cut down one of the side streets, I can get onto Fuengirola's 7-kilometer promenade and catch some of the October sun on the way. The temperature is still in the mid-20s and there is always something interesting going on the beach. It's still quite early on this sunny Sunday morning and the promenade is relatively empty. By the afternoon there will be a lot more people here, both tourists and locals, using all the facilities the promenade and beach has to offer. Watch until the end of this video for an artist's impression of the redevelopment of the port. If you enjoy these short videos on what to see on Spain's Costa del Sol, then please like, subscribe and hit the bell for more videos. New content is released on a regular basis. From first light till dusk, the beach and promenade is a hive of activity, and it's one of the reasons that makes Fuengirola a great holiday resort.
Casi gratis.
And here we are at the port. I hope you enjoyed this short video, and look out for more. The port is due to be redeveloped, and work could start as early as spring 2022. These are the plans, so what do you think? If you have any questions on the Costa del Sol, then ask away in the comments below. I will get back to you. And thanks for watching.